In this video, we discuss a Hello World program in CUDA. CUDA is the abbreviation for Compute Unified Device Architecture. It is a C++-like language developed by NVIDIA for parallel computing using GPU. GPU means graphics processing unit. Okay. To write CUDA programs, your system needs to have an NVIDIA GPU. Okay. You can check if you have one using this command lspci. Let's check our system. Okay. lspci pipe grep -i means to ignore the case NVIDIA. So our system has an NVIDIA graphics card, so we can write CUDA programs. Say some PC may not have NVIDIA card. It may use, say, an Intel graphics card. In those systems, you cannot write CUDA programs. Now, the list here shows a C program and a corresponding CUDA program. Okay, they are very similar. Okay, now, in the C program, the main will print out the message hello 0, and then it calls the function chello, which will print out hello world. Okay, and that's it. It's very simple. Now, let's copy this. Okay, and compile and run it to see its effect. Okay, so we call this source code hello.cpp. Okay, so we paste it. Okay, and for this to work, we need to have the header. We need to include the header stdio, the standard IO. Okay, we save it. Okay, and here we compile it. Okay, hello output, suppose we call it hello. Okay, so it compiles and we can execute it. Okay, you can see that it prints out the message hello 0 in the main, and then calls the function. Okay, that prints out hello world. Okay, so that's the C program, C program. Okay. Now, this is the corresponding CUDA. Okay, so it's very similar. Okay. So in CUDA, a function may be referred to as a kernel also. Okay, so this is the main function. Again, we print out hello world, hello 0. Okay, and then we call this function CUDA hello. Okay, with some parameters 1, 1. Okay, and we'll explain the meaning of the parameters in the next video. But here, okay, we just concentrate on how to write a simple hello world CUDA program. Okay, so when we call this program, this kernel, it prints out the message hello world from GPU. Okay, now let's copy this and compile it. Okay, so we copy this. Okay, so we use a new file name. Suppose we call this hello.cu. Cu means CUDA. Okay, so again, we need the header. We include the header for the printf statement. So we save this. Okay, and to compile it, we use this command mvcc. Okay, hello.cu, the source code, and the output. Suppose we call it hello_cu. Okay, it compiles, and then we execute this. Now you can see that the message hello 0 is printed. Okay, but the message from the kernel is not printed. Okay, Now this is because sometimes the data could be buffered in the GPU memory. Okay. Now this diagram explains the structure of the relation between GPU and the GPU. Okay. So this is the main memory. So the first, okay, for the kernel or the function to work, okay, so the CPU has to copy the data from the main memory to the GPU memory. So that's the first step, okay, from main memory to GPU. Okay, and then second, the CPU, okay, initiates the GPU compute kernel. Okay, so the second step. Okay, and then the GPU CUDA cores, okay, will execute the kernel, and it is executed in parallel. Okay, that means it can work in parallel. Okay, and then it gets the result. So the result will be copied back to the main memory from the GPU memory. Okay, but sometimes it could be buffered here. Okay, so if you want to flush out the data, you can add this command, okay, which will flush out the buffered data. Okay, so let's add this, okay, to here. The CUDA device synchronize. Okay. And now let's compile this again. So it compiles, and now we execute. So you can see that both the message from the main, okay, hello 0, and the message from the kernel, hello world from GPU, okay, are printed. Okay. So this is a simple hello world program written in CUDA. Okay. So in the next video, we'll discuss some more programs that could be written in CUDA. Okay. Okay. Well, yeah. Thank you for watching. Okay. So if you think that this video is useful to you, please give it a like. Thank you. Bye bye.